There was a dinner party hosted by Bollywood filmmaker Karan Johar, and from there, all the guests attending that party, most of them have tested positive. Bollywood divas Kareena Kapoor Khan, Amrita Arora, Seema Khan, fashion designer Maheep Kapoor, all have tested positive of COVID. The BMC is now holding a COVID testing camp at Kareena Kapoor Khan's building and Amrita Arora's building as well. Just remember one thing, we're not the channel who are vilifying what has happened. We're just reporting what has happened at Karan Johar's dinner party. And it's very natural for anybody to contract this particular virus if you're not careful. BMC team has people who are sanitizing building compound and other premises. Kareena Kapoor is under home isolation and the BMC will keep check on her health every day. Houses of Amrita Arora and Karan Johar are also being sanitized.
Kareena Kapoor Khan, Amrita Arora, Seema Khan, and fashion designer Maheep Kapoor. The famous wives of Bollywood and BFFs, who are often spotted partying together, are having a not-so-fabulous time as they are all under home quarantine after testing positive for COVID-19. And it was a party at filmmaker Karan Johar's house that ended up as an invitation for the virus. The divas attended a get-together at Karan Johar's house on December 8th. BMC sources say that it was Seema Khan who had minor symptoms. When she got tested, her report came positive on the 11th of December. On the same day, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Amrita Arora also got tested, and on Sunday, their reports too came out positive. Maheep Kapoor, wife of Sanjay Kapoor, who too attended the party, had also contracted the virus. Kareena's father, Randhir Kapoor, told India Today that the doctor has said that her infection is mild. BFFs, Kareena and Amrita, have been seen attending lot of parties, the latest being at filmmaker Rhea Kapoor's house, which was also attended by Malaika Arora, Karisma Kapoor and Masaba Gupta. All of them are now at risk. BMC, wasting no time, has started contact tracing. So far, over 15 close contacts of the actors have been traced. All those traced are getting tested to avoid the scope of further spread of the virus. One would now hope that these superstars don't turn into super spreaders. With Amit Tyagi and Saurav Vakhtania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
My colleague Saurav Vakhtania speaks to a BMC official outside Kareena Kapoor's residence in Mumbai, where the sanitation process is currently underway. Listen to what they have to say.
किस तरीके की तैयारी यहाँ पे है, क्या कुछ किया जाएगा?
सर फिलहाल सैनिटाइज करने के लिए बोला हुआ है हमको, तो सैनिटाइज करके उनका घर, कॉमन स्पेसेस जो भी है, बिल्डिंग का लिफ्ट है और स्टेयरकेस है, नीचे गैरेजेस है, वहाँ पे सैनिटाइज कर लेंगे हम।
तो आप लोग जो सैनिटाइज करेंगे तो आप घर के अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, आपको पूरी प्रीमाइसिस बिल्डिंग
भी करेंगे, अंदर अलाउड करेंगे तो अंदर भी जाएंगे सर।
Breaking news coming in. Sources close to Karan Johar reveal that he got tested for COVID yesterday and he's now negative. That's the latest coming in right there. Thankfully, Karan Johar, according to our sources, is tested negative for COVID. Remember, the people present at his party, some of them have tested positive, and hence we're breaking the story. Saurav is now joining us live from Kareena Kapoor's residence, who's tested positive. Saurav, you know, I just want to first put it out there that we're not that channel who are vilifying anybody's party or anybody's dinner where anybody could have tested positive. But just reporting the facts as they are. Kareena Kapoor is positive, Amrita Arora is positive. There are certain other people who were present at a dinner who have tested positive too. If you could first walk our viewers through all the who have tested positive and whether they've quarantined themselves, the steps that is being taken by the BMC, and the fact that now the news coming in that Karan Johar has tested negative.
So, well, first of all, the party, the get-together, which we have been told that over 15 people who were present at Karan Johar's residence on 8th of December, the first person who came in positive was Seema Khan. She is wife of Sohail Khan. And after she came positive, it was on 11th of December, after which Kareena Kapoor, Amrita Arora, Mahip Kapoor and others actually got themselves tested, and day before yesterday their reports came positive. Most importantly, right now let me show you the visuals of this particular building. This is the house of Kareena Kapoor's, and these are the BMC officials who are present over here. So what they are going to do right now is retesting will be done. Retesting is basically once the testing is already done, the RT-PCR is definitely done, but once again the retesting will be done, and also a proper team of BMC West Ward, that is the health department of team, will be coming over here. There will be a doctor over here. PPE kits are already in. What they are going to do is most priority right now is contact tracing. So the people in this particular building who wish to get themselves tested, their testing will be done, the building's watchman testing will be done, and retesting of entire Kareena Kapoor's family will be done. So this is now the priority of the BMC officials, that is to do the contact tracing, because you know these are the celebrities. The party took place on 8th of December. They came positive only on 12th of December. So in between the time there was lot of period wherein they got in touch with so many others. The team is another team is already at Karan Johar's residence where the sanitization work is done. Amrita Arora's place, the team is already there. So what they have done is, for each celebrities there are several teams which have been made by the BMC official. They will be conducting the contact tracing and sanitization work. Contact tracing is a huge task, because in 7 days the celebrities might have come in touch with so many people. So for the moment the retesting will also be done. BMC officials are right now present inside this particular building. Doctors team is awaited. A team of doctors will be coming over here. The equipments for RT-PCR tests are already inside this particular building, and people who wish to actually get themselves tested, their RT-PCR will be done. And
led to the testing of Kareena Kapoor in the first place, because she has, as her statement says, she had mild symptoms. We hope she gets well soon, and we hope everybody else who's tested positive there get well soon as well. There is no stigma attached to COVID-19. Anybody can get it. You have to just be careful about it. My question here is rather very different in terms of the fact that you have 4 celebs who have tested positive after the dinner at Karan Johar's party, and what prompted Kareena Kapoor to go and get herself tested, because unless and until you test, you will never know whether you're negative or positive, and there could be many cases in the country who are probably symptomatic cases, they are positive but they're not even testing.
So well, Kareena Kapoor and Amrita Arora actually got themselves tested after they came to know that Seema Khan is actually positive. What happened is at this particular party, this particular get-together, and like what Kareena Kapoor also posted on social media, that in this particular party, one of the attendees, that is Seema Khan, she was already having some symptoms of COVID-19. She was sneezing and coughing. And after which she got herself tested, and her reports came on 11th of December, that is almost 5 to 6 days after the party. Now what happened is, on the same day, Kareena Kapoor and Amrita Arora also get themselves tested, and later on, a day after, their reports come positive. So this was the alarming sign. Remember, these are the big celebrities. They move out to so many places each day. They go to so many public functions, and therefore BMC, by not taking any chances over here, they are in a huge task of contact tracing and sanitizing all the premises and all the places which the celebrities actually went. What the sources here right now also told us, that the BMC also wanted to go inside the house of Kareena Kapoor and sanitize the whole house from inside, but the permission was not given, and therefore the whole building, inside premises, staircases and everything was sanitized by the officials who were present over here. Once the sanitization work is done, now the health department team will be arriving here shortly. They will be conducting the RT-PCR test. The officials, what they are telling us, that retesting of entire Kareena Kapoor's family members. And here in the visuals you can see, this is the BMC official team who has just arrived over here. This is the team of BMC officials who have arrived over here at the residence of Kareena Kapoor, and these are the people who are going to conduct the RT-PCR test. So right now, lot of things happening at different places. Each celebrities, let me tell you, the BMC have made a dedicated team who will be conducting the contact tracing and sanitization work. So this is the particular team right now which have arrived at the residence of Kareena Kapoor, and here they are going to conduct a medical camp, that is the RT-PCR test of Kareena Kapoor family members and other building residents.
Absolutely. So there is contact tracing that is going on at this point of time. Saurabh, would you say that the BMC is being absolutely proactive in ensuring that there is no trouble in Mumbai again? And one also has to realize that, you know, many more, the BMC has always tested, and they've tested in large numbers, and that's why perhaps, and I'm not saying we have absolute evidence of this, but perhaps that is also the reason why a larger number of people keep testing positive in Mumbai.
Contaminated zone. This is the contaminated zone banner which has been put up by the BMC officials. The team has already arrived over here. What they are doing is that a particular person in this particular building has been tested positive, and this has been declared as a contaminated zone. So here, live visuals you can see exclusively on India Today that how the BMC officials have arrived over here. They are putting up the banner over here. Here in the banner, it is clearly written that a particular person has been tested positive in this particular building, and this has been declared as a contaminated area. The people have to follow a social distancing. The people have to be very alert. They have to be aware. They have to keep the COVID protocols in place. The board clearly says here that how. Let me read out to you. Let me read out to you. That is written in Marathi. या परिसरात एक रहिवासी कोरोना व्यवस्थित चाचणी बाधित आला आहे. भागातील प्रवेशात सुरक्षित निर्बंध. What it is written over here that in this particular building compound a person has been tested positive, and therefore going inside this particular building and coming outside this particular building is completely restricted. The people living inside this building, their all RT-PCR tests will be done, and they have to follow this particular guidelines. Another team of BMC has already arrived over here. This is the second team arrived over here. Live here in the visuals, you can clearly see this is the second team of BMC who has arrived over here. Let me tell you, the PPE kits and other equipments for the RT-PCR test are already been sent inside, and this people will be conducting the RT-PCR test. So lot of things happening right now in Mumbai. You can clearly see outside the Kareena Kapoor's building resident. This is the banner put up by the BMC official that a person has tested positive over here, and all the COVID protocols that is related to the contaminated zone has to be followed.
All right, absolutely. So the BMC has gotten proactive. They've put out this huge banner outside Kareena Kapoor Khan's residence as well, saying that a person inside has tested positive, and they are conducting contact tracing exercise in Mumbai at this point of time. The civic body has sanitized Kareena's house, Karan Johar's house as well. Sorry for our viewers who have just tuned in, if you could just walk our viewers through who all from the dinner party hosted by Karan Johar have tested positive and who all have tested negative, because we're getting reports coming in that there are certain people who have tested negative as well. Perhaps the vaccine is working on them. And also, just to put it out there, this is in no way vilifying anyone who tests positive for COVID.
So first of all, let me tell you, Seema Khan was the one who first got positive and who attended this particular party which took place. That is particularly what the get-together, they are saying that it was get-together on 8th of December, after which Kareena Kapoor, Amrita Arora and Mahib Kapoor, they too got themselves tested, and their reports have been come positive. Most importantly and good for them is that they have only mild symptoms, and therefore they are currently in home quarantine. They have not been hospitalized. They are saying there is no need for them to hospitalize. But yes, BMC officials are telling us that every day their health checkups will be done. They'll be keep asking them every day that how they are feeling right now, whether their symptoms are increasing or not. One more important point and information which we would like to give to our viewers is that the test of Saif Ali Khan was also done, but his reports are right now awaited. So BMC officials are telling us that the celebrities who got positive, there are 15 close contacts which are identified. Their testing was done yesterday, and their reports are awaited, and their reports are been expected by afternoon. So a lot of work right now for BMC in Mumbai, because these are the celebrities who goes to so many places, attend different functions, they have to act responsibly. Kareena Kapoor clearly in her post on social media clearly said that she is a responsible citizen. All
There
her
was
family
this
members
one
and she
huge
herself have
concert
got
in
the
Mumbai,
double
and that
vaccinated.
concert it was also in focus in news yesterday. What happened at that concert? Anybody from that concert tested positive? Because there was no social distancing maintained from what we were picking up from the visuals in that concert.
Well, absolutely. This particular concert actually took place in BKC area. It was AP Dhillons, a Canadian rapper and singer whose concert actually happened on Sunday. Let me tell you, it was a huge concert at a 5-star hotel in Santa Cruz. Thousands of people were actually present over here. There was so much of COVID protocols were plotted by the officials. So what the police have done is that they have filed an FIR in that particular matter against the organizer. They are saying that there was a lot of COVID protocols which was plotted and no mask, no social distancing was followed. Several of the celebrities and their kids had already attended that particular party. But for the moment, let me tell you that no one from that particular party actually actually have tested positive. None from that particular party has been tested positive. But yes, Mumbai police is actually investigating the whole case. A section under IPC 188 is registered by the Mumbai police officials against the organization. They will be trying to know from there that how actually they got permission to have such a huge party. Let me tell you, there was
Question, where did they get the permission to have such a humongous concert, that too after flouting COVID norms? And you know, Saurabh, this is a very important piece of news that you're getting for us right now. Stay on with us. I'm coming back to you in just about a bit on this very concert. But we also have our entertainment head, Tushar Joshi, who's joining in from Mumbai. Tushar, sources are revealing, thankfully, Karan Johar has tested negative, and there were several people at his party who have tested positive. And you know, this is COVID. Anybody could get this infection. It's right there. But I believe that these are mild cases because they're vaccinated.
Absolutely right. This is COVID. Anybody could get it. At this point in time, the focus is on Kareena, her friends, focus is on Karan. A lot of people in Bollywood who I spoke to in the last few hours are a bit appalled and shocked at how the focus has jumped onto them. They are saying there are weddings happening. There is a music concert that happened recently, like you mentioned. How have permissions been given for these concerts to be held? Why isn't the civic authority and BMC questioning these people? Kareena yesterday in a statement said that she is quarantined and she is doing everything possible to get better and also give all the information necessary to BMC. Karan, from what I have heard, has got tested and is negative. The focus right now is on these celebrities and these faces and making it look like these are the ones responsible for spreading COVID. But from what I know, they're doing everything possible in their means to come out and give whatever information that is necessary to BMC. The question is how much of a stringent action will this authority take on the parties that have been held, the weddings that have been held, and the music concert organizers, like you mentioned.
It's a bigger question. This was a very small gathering. This was a dinner hosted by, a celebrity. Anybody can be hosting a dinner. Life is back to normal. But you have these big concerts happening without any COVID protocols. You also have weddings happening. So, and hence, it's not fair to say that, these are the celebrities because of whom COVID is rising. It just so happened that they tested, right, Tushar, and they tested positive. There could be so many who have not tested for it.
Exactly. And that's another thing. There is a lot of shaming that comes with testing positive, which is unfortunate. And I think that you also have to give a lot of, you have to give marks to these celebrities for coming out in public and saying that they got tested and yes, I'm positive, and then sharing information with the authorities. I know of a lot of celebrities who are not even coming out and getting tested. In that wake of light, for the fact that Karan and Kareena have come out and Kareena has come out and spoken, and we know that Karan has got tested as well. And I think in the next few days, or in fact today, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people start getting tested who have come in touch with them. I have spoken to a few friends who were at this particular dinner, and they're all very open to getting tested. They obviously have families and kids and parents at home. So who would there in their right mind would not want to get tested and know if he or she is positive?
At the moment, all of them and all the celebrities, and Tushar, you know them well, they are all cooperating with the authorities, the BMC?
Yes, absolutely. They're all cooperating with the authority and they're all coming out and giving information. Now it's up to the authority to also look at the other side, which you mentioned rightly, is the events, the weddings, the music concert that has happened. The organizers who are flouting these rules and are having these huge public gatherings and huge public events, they also need to be under the radar, and they also need to
be pulled up. They are the ones who really need to be pulled up, because you've got thousands and thousands of people who are gathering at concerts without maintaining social distancing, without having COVID protocols. Questions arising on who gave the organizers of such a huge concert even the authority or the permission to conduct a concert of this big stature in the financial capital of the country. That is the bigger question right here. Not one small dinner, not one small party here and there, but these are the bigger concerts that are going to be a matter of focus at the moment. For now, we're wishing everyone who has tested positive in Mumbai a speedy recovery. Hopefully all the symptoms are mild because they are vaccinated. I thank you very much, Tushar and Saurabh, both for joining us on this particular broadcast. We're slipping into a very short commercial break. Lots more coming up on the other side. Stay with us on India Today.